So it is Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021, and I'm going to do my recap for today. Disappointing day, another one. Disappointing, fucking disappointing. I just cannot get out of my way, man. It's crazy. I can do it, but I'm not there yet. I'm not there. I'm not there. I mean, I am there, but I'm just not executing it. It's a shame. Finished the day up $1,200, basically. I was up $2,200, and I gave it all the way back to 1,200. It's a shame because that would have been all the profit from yesterday, right? Yesterday I came in and it wasn't my totally my fault, but I lost like $2,200 to I should have been 1,200 bucks, but I didn't realize I had a trade open with 1,000 shares of GEVO. It went down 1 point. When I realized, yep, that's it. I'm down to $1,200. So pretty bad. And then today the same thing. I was up yeah, 2,300 bucks, and I gave it all the way back in some stupid trades. I did awesome in FUBO. As you can see here, there's great executions. Um, let's just see. I went short. So everything was coming down today, and again, a couple of things happened. It's a shame. It's a shame because I focused on FUBO, but I didn't focus on Riot or MARA. That were like the big money movers. So it's this like thing just seems to happen to me where whenever there's like a big chance of me making money, I just go and look at a different stock or whatever, and then by the time I realize it's too late. Yeah, a bit of a shame because yeah, I did see Riot gapping up this morning. It was around it was at L5. So that is a good setup right there. With that L5 bounced, and like I was looking for this type of play. I was looking for a play in which let me see. I was looking. Oh, it's here. Okay, got it. I was looking for a play in which that was the case. Like there was a little bit of a gap up, and then there was going to be a big gap down. That was my main focus for today. But I saw FUBO go first, and I took the trade first, and then I just decided to stick with that. And it's a shame because I was, looking at FCell and Plug, especially today, for a play from breakdown trade from L4 to L5. It was perfect, right here around L4, but I just didn't have time to get in. It just gapped down directly. As you can see here, I have to talk to TradeStation because I don't know what the fuck is happening. But I was trying to go short. I was trying to go short FCell pre-market because I was seeing the action how it was playing out. I wanted to go short around here, and I couldn't, man. And it would have been an amazing trade. It would have been an awesome trade. So a bit frustrated because of that. But start of the day, went short FUBO, 25 seconds into the open. I went short. Why did I go short? Well, it opened around here, right? And it couldn't hold the day the open. And not only that, the 9 EMA was like kind of relatively far away. So yeah, it was just a perfect short. It was a perfect short, and I saw the level two. Even though the level two in Thinkorswim was absolutely terrible today, it was lagging behind. It was really fucking terrible. I had to look at TradeStation, my P and L if it was going up or down to really take a look at the at the price move, and it was really fucking terrible. So whatever, I went short. Let's see, I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Perfect. So I went short 35.80, covered everything around 35.16. So right over here, I saw a little bit of resistance. Should have let it go. Yeah, but it was below L5, very very down to L5. So I'm like, well, it's not that. It doesn't look as nice as Plug, right? Again, an FCell, like man, just playbook trade from L4 to L5. It even went down even more. I should have taken the trade over here, going short again. But again, I was in FUBO at that point too, so just sucked, man. And again, by buying power, I'll talk about that later. But went short, covered here, and then yeah, covered 100, covered 900 when I saw the resistance, and then I went short again. Why did I go short? Typical play where it gaps down, I retest the 9 EMA, cannot really break it, so I went short 35, 30, 35, 35, and I saw the whole move down. So then I went long Plug. We'll go into that later, but I covered FUBO, so 35.50, 35.50, 34, 33.36, 33.97, and then I went short again around this level here because I saw the level two. There were a ton of buyers here, and yeah, it was a good setup. But I had to dig through. I had to see this gap up over here, but then it came down. This happens a lot, when you see this big gap up, this big spike, and I should have maybe covered. I'm aware of that, but whatever. I was able to cover all of this movement and this move. Then this is the moment where I should have gone long. To be honest, I should have gone long here, but yeah, I was already up $2,000, and I'm like, well, why would I go long? It's a down market, but it was too down, to be honest. I really should have gone long. Going back to plug, I went plug long 42.41. Why did I? Yeah, around was 9.33. So around here. Why? Because it came down to L5 here, and it had some support. It didn't even touch L5 totally. So I'm like, okay, there's a good chance that it might go back to the 9 EMA, and it did. But I was, again, didn't follow my game plan. Was a little bit of a coward. Got out, for only $140, which would have been a great trade. I mean, 42.41. That's right around here. That is $1,000 trade, man. And I got out. Then I saw this movement, but I couldn't go short. And if you can see here, I was trying to go short again, but because of buying power, although it says that I have 200 and something in buying power, now I have $65,000 in my account. So literally by $1,000, like $2,000, I didn't go. I couldn't. Well, maybe a little bit more, yeah, like 4 or 5K. I couldn't go short 2,000 shares, which sucks, man. I could only use my buying power. I could have added 500 shares, but by the time I just adjusted it, on the screen, do the clicks and whatnot, maybe a little bit late. I don't know. That's a shame because I would have profited much more. Yeah, that's a fucking big shame. And then the mistakes started happening, man. Then typical Marco mistakes. I get, don't follow my rule. Don't follow my rule with 500 shares. No, I go 1,000 shares. Looking for a bounce in FSL, looking for a bounce at the L5 to see a reclaim, a retest. It looked good on both the 5-minute and the 1 minute, and the 5 minute was coming just right here into play. So maybe you could see a retest of the lows. But again, it's not a trade with a plan. It's not a trade with just to see if I can scalp a little bit. And what happened? I lost money. I lost $500 there. So from up to 2,200, I'm up 1,700. And then the same old starts happening. I go short, okay, I profit a little bit there, and then I get myself almost back up, and then I just start making fucking terrible mistakes here. And well, not even terrible mistakes, but since I had the 50 cents automatic stop loss, I was getting stopped out, and right, I didn't recognize that. My mistake. My mistake. I went short 10.06. So right around here, I guess, for the test of this, and it didn't end up coming down, but I got stopped out a couple of times, and I went long. Just chopped up, man. Just chopped up. Just bad trading there, and with one thing and the other, I ended up, giving back $1,000, which is frustrating, man. Now, instead of being break even for the week, have 3 more days to go and make my money. Reach my target for the month. Now I'm again, just trying to climb back. It sucks, man, and I have plenty of good opportunities to make the money. I mean, everything was a little bit, everything sucked. Tried to go short FSL in the, pre-market, perfect setup. Same with plug. I have to talk to TradeStation, see what the fuck is happening there. Yeah, I had more chances to go short. I guess I should have taken advantage of those, but for me, it was a little bit extended past L5, but had a good chance of going long in Riot too and MARA. Like, this is a perfect double bottom gap up there. I mean, like, retracement, awesome setup here. Cannot hold the daily open, comes back down. Those are the setups that I have to look, man. That's what I told myself I was gonna do. That's what I told myself I was gonna do. Just this is scalping, like small scalping, just doesn't make any sense, man. I'm looking for big moves, and I'm just getting in the way of myself just profiting and doing better. I mean, yesterday, whatever, man. Still bad, lost $1,200. That's not good. Unfortunate that I didn't see the GEVO, but that happens. It's fine. I've lost money before. I've been able to make it back. I almost made it back totally today. But it sucks, giving back $1,000 in profit. Should have just walked away. But again, my mistake here, FSL, dude. Like, I went short here. Why didn't I here? Why didn't I just put the stop up? Why did I have to let it go all the way up, dude? And lose those $500. That makes no sense, dude. It makes no sense why I self sabotage myself. If I put the fucking stop there, I put the stop there. Obey it. I'm pissed off, as you can see. Oh, nobody sees it, but I'm very, very pissed off again. Cause yeah, I mean, whatever. Still, I'm up like $7,200 for the month, something like that. Up like $7,200, which is not terrible. It's not great. 7,150. Okay, a little bit up and down. $7,200 up for the month. Have 3 more days. Hope. I mean, I can do it. I can get up to 10,000. I can do it, but I have to be careful. And yeah, it's I shouldn't even be focused on the P&L. Like I just should be focused on my mind, man. Like I was telling myself yesterday, just stop. Just focus on the setups, man. You had plenty of setups today. Plenty of fucking setups. FSL, okay, maybe not L4, but L5. Okay, I did take this trade. I did take this one, right? I think I did take this trade over here. Let's see. Yeah, so I screwed up here and then I did take this trade. Okay, quick scalp, it's okay, but also like I shouldn't be taking those. I mean, this is a good setup. Okay, yeah, it's a bounce of L4. The setup would have been the target would have been L3. So yeah, it didn't happen. Okay, but then I could have gone for the L3 one, target L4. Those are the setups that I have to be taking, not like these small scalps and Riot. Just making all these small mistakes. Like this is a mess. It's a mess. It's disappointing, man. It's disappointing. I shouldn't be making these mistakes. Short cover. Then I went long cover. Just a big old mess, man. Just a big old mess. And again, I missed this huge fucking trade, man. This huge trade. I missed that one, man. That's a shame. That is a big shame. Ah, I'll get there. I'll get there one day, man. I'll get there. I'm sure if I would have seen it, I would have taken it. I would have taken this fucking trade. 1,000% I would have taken it. It sucks, man. Same with Plug, where I gave back profit. Should have done the setup. Setup for the daily open short wouldn't have happened. It's fine. Here wouldn't have happened. Fine. L3, that happened well. That happened well enough. And I can get in once, twice, three, from 4 times it happens. It's that's what I have to do. Not small scalps, not stupid shit. In FUBO, it was a little bit more complicated because I didn't have any pivot points to guide myself with. So I was going based off of the level two and what the overall stocks were doing. I should have gone long here, man. I really should have. I saw the resistance there, the support. Sorry, I saw the support, and that would have been a great long, man, up to the daily open. That was a shame. Also here, that was a good trade. That's what I have to do, Marco. I mean, that's what I have to do. Just stop, man. That's it. I'm done, dude. I'm done with these small scalps. I'm done with these stupid trades. I'm just done, man. I have to elevate myself. I have to elevate my game. I have to be the trader that I want to be. And plenty of setups. So in TRY was also gapping down. Another one, L4 to L5. This is a little bit above L5. But look, L5 comes all the way back down. These are the steps that I have to be taking. These are the steps that I have to be taking with a small risk there. I took this trade. This is where things got off. Because yeah, L4 was on the 5-minute 9 EMA, a little bit extended from 1 EMA, but it was still everything was gapping up at that point. Everything was still gapping up at that point. Not a good trade, man. Not a good trade. Not a good, not a bad trade. Bad risk management. That's what happened. Bad risk management. That was my issue today. You know. bad risk management. I mean, I'm getting there. I'm getting there, but I'm already that. In my mind, I am already that. I'm already that trader. I just have to focus more, be more mindful of what I'm doing, man. Be if there, I'm gonna keep doing my playbook. I only have like a couple of trades in my playbook, but I'm gonna keep doing it, putting all my trades there, and that's it. I'm just gonna take playbook trades, man. Like that's it. I'm just gonna take playbook trades and leave the other ones behind. Okay, like it would be awesome to go long here, right? The setup is there, but is there any, like playbook trade there? Well, maybe not. Would I miss on some profit? Okay, but better like that, man. Maybe I don't catch the long here, but I catch the short here, or the short here, or the short here, right? Maybe that's what happens. There's always opportunity. That's what I should be looking to do, Not these small scalps, man. This choppiness that I always get, like, taken out. It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. That's what's holding me back. That's what's holding me back by far. And another issue, like my big losses in this month. 4 losing days, 1800, 1000. I haven't had all my days have been 1000 and up, my losing days. Okay, my winning days have been, pretty good, pretty much. But, I mean, pretty good. Some of them better than others. And again, up 1000, give it back. Up like, what? Okay, here almost up 1000, give it back. I'm having these issues a lot, man. I'm having these issues a lot. Up 1000, give it back. It's frustrating, man. I'm making the same mistakes over and over. I'm making the same fucking mistakes over and over. 3 more days for the month. Let's see if I can, make the money back, get myself, up to $9,000. I mean, I can do that. I can even do better. This week I made $6,700. This stretch I made over $3,000. I can still do it. I can still do it. So, focused on my trades, focused on what I can do right, and yeah, today was the day that I wanted to size up, man. Also, that was a shame too because I wanted to size up in FUBO and buying power just didn't let me do it. I wanted to go 2,000 shares short, man. That's what I wanted to do. It sucks. But what really sucks is more than anything, because look, I could have made money over $2,000, with 1,000 shares, with $35,000, getting in and out. It's not bad. But it's following the plan, man. Following playbook trades. That's it. That's it. So I'm gonna go chill for a little bit, have some lunch, and then I'm just gonna sit down and do my playbook trades and just my objectives is gonna be to just follow playbook trades, just take playbook trades. Not always gonna happen. You're gonna make mistakes. It's okay, but follow your playbook trades. Just do playbook trades because that's what's gonna make me the big profits, man. Say I take plug, go 1,000 shares short. That would have been $3,000, man. Pretty much, and then I could have gone short again. Whatever. $3,000. That was my playbook trade. Oh man, it's frustrating, but it's fine. There's a lot of opportunities. The market is so many different trades to take. So many different setups. So that's what I'm going to be focused on. Is playbook trades, high quality setups. That's it. Not always going to make money. I'm going to lose money, of course. But when I make money, I have to make bigger money. 75% winning days, 12 losing days, 12 winning days, 4 losing days. That's pretty much in line. But look, my average losing day is bigger than my average winning day. It fucking sucks, man. Over $500 sucks. 47%. It seems like every month I'm like doing worse in my trading percentages, and that's because I'm just scalping stupidly. Okay, 47. But if you look at December, I mean, look, not much better. Okay, 4 or 5% up, 4 or 5% down, 4% up. It's not that much. You know, I can still even fix that. I guess not fix, but 52. So okay, right in line more or less. But okay, it took 137 trades in November. Let's see, December. 132, so more or less the same. Let's see, January, which was a fucking terrible month. 84, okay, I was on vacay and stuff like that. And then February. What is this? Okay. 88. Wow, I was much more active. Interesting. I would have to take a look at that and why I was more active then in those 2 months. Maybe I was just even scalping more and stuff, but still not the way to go, man. Not the way to go. Yeah. Objectives for tomorrow and the rest of the week is leave the table if I lose $750. Just get up and leave. And playbook trades. Playbook trades. Can I do that? Of course I can do it. Why don't I do it? Your guess is as good as mine, man. I have no idea. Frustration, but no, dude, I have to put the championship mentality. I have to go with championship mentality with seasonal professional trader. You know, it's all in the mind, man. It's all in the mind. It's all in the fucking mind. And I can do it. I know I can do it. NIO, awesome setup too. Awesome. Time and time again. It just happens time and time again, man. Okay, short, perfect there. It is what it is. Gets to L5. Sorry, L5. Okay, a little bit of a, you know, a little bit of retracement there. Gets to L4. All the way back to L5, man. Like, it just happens time and time and time and time and time again. I just have to elevate myself, man. I have to elevate my mind, man. Just take setup. Just take these setups, man. To LY L5, perfect. Daily open comes back down to L5. Ah, shit, dude. It's frustrating to see, but it's fine because I'm confident in my ability to adjust. You know, to adjust and get back to my, not get back, but elevate, dude. Now I'm in the process of elevating myself. I've already made the mistakes enough. It's time to elevate, to stay focused. Championship mindset. I can do it. I will do it. Yeah, that's my recap for the day. Yeah, pretty much I covered everything, and I'm gonna get back and yeah, develop my playbook. I have plenty of examples, plenty of examples that I can build my playbook off of. So that's what I'm gonna be focused on and focus on that, man. Focus on that. Okay, have a good one.